This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes, creators of the world's best repair manuals. Fix your car or truck the right way with our accurate and reliable information at your side. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete online manual at Haynes.com.
Remove the engine garnish cover. Detach the PCV valve hose. Unscrew and remove the PCV valve. Install the new PCV valve and tighten it securely. Connect the PCV valve hose and replace the engine garnish cover.